This chemical is the reason why you clicked on this video, dopamine, a molecule that either motivates a person to get something done or makes them avoid it. It plays a crucial role in how we experience pleasure. Think of it as the brain's way of saying, that feels good. We all have a constant amount of it running in our body, but when we do something enjoyable, like eating ice cream or hitting 10,000 likes on Instagram, there's a sudden hit of dopamine in our body, which makes us feel good and drives us to repeat those actions. But after a while, you may feel slightly down compared to how you feel normally. But here's where it gets interesting. These platforms are designed in a way to release more and more of these hits. And if you spend too much of your time and energy on these platforms, your brain might not get much time to refill it to the original baseline level, which makes these hits become less and less impactful as time goes by. So yeah, addiction is just another word for a never-ending treasure hunt for dopamine. But how can we fix that? Well, when we don't drink water for 24 hours, we feel extremely thirsty. And when you finally take a sip after those 24 hours, you'll be shocked how the ordinary water, which wasn't even a concern to you before, tastes so satisfactory. Let's do something similar with your brain. So basically, you'll have to shut down all dopamine sources for the next 7 days and perform a dopamine fast, commonly known as the Dopamine Detox. These are the only 5 rules. Rule number 1, no social media. Delete all social media apps from your phone, no Instagram or YouTube for the next 7 days. Rule number 2, no form of digital entertainment. Take a break from movies and games. They also release a large amount of dopamine, especially games, making it difficult to enjoy other day-to-day activities. Say goodbye to them for a while. Rule number 3, no junk food. Cut all sorts of unhealthy food from your diet. These sugary and mouth-watering foods can lead to overconsumption by hijacking your dopamine system. So, next time when you have to choose between broccoli and an ice cream, choose broccoli. Rule number 4, limit your screen time. Maintain less than an hour of screen time throughout the week. Less blue light from screens can help improve your sleep quality and also make you more creative as you have time to think and daydream. Rule number 5, work out daily. Physical activity boosts dopamine levels naturally, and this dopamine both makes you feel happier and become more satisfied with the activities you do throughout the day, rather than those artificial sources of dopamine we talked about earlier. I'll not sympathize with you. It takes effort to open your eyes when you go from a dark room to somewhere bright. Likewise, it will be very hard to apply these rules when starting out because you've been living like this for so many years. But as the days go by, you'll surely see changes. You'll feel much better than before. Even waking up and having a cup of coffee will feel absolutely incredible. Trust me. That's it for this video. If you want to know how you can start a $100,000 business with $0, click the video on your right, and to know about my plan for becoming a millionaire, click the video on your left. And I'll see you there. Goodbye.